In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Salesforce Maps. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just looking to enhance your mapping capabilities, this guide will help you navigate and set up Salesforce Maps with ease. To start, let's head over to Salesforce. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your home page, specifically within the user-friendly Lightning interface. This interface is filled with a variety of quick access tools set up to make your experience smoother and more efficient. Now, I want you to shift your focus to the top right corner of the screen. There, instead of logging in, you'll click on Quick Settings. Keep an eye out for what looks like a gear icon. That's the one you want. This will open a menu where you'll find an option labeled Open Setup. By clicking on Open Setup, you are diving into the core of Salesforce's setup options. Here's where you can explore a myriad of specialized settings. And today, we're honing in on one particular feature: Salesforce Maps. Now, with the Advanced Setup menu open, take advantage of the Quick Find box, located for your convenience to help you navigate effortlessly through different sections. Simply type in Maps and Location, and it will pop right up in your list of options. Once you've located it, click on Maps and Location Settings. This area serves as your command center for tweaking how Salesforce Maps operates and how it interacts with your data. On this page, you'll notice an Edit button. Clicking Edit is an essential step as it grants you the power to alter the default settings to better fit your needs. In this section, you get to decide to enable maps and location as well as the autocomplete feature. These settings are integral in providing you with powerful mapping functionalities and predictive search capabilities, which will make data entry and retrieval a more fluid and faster process. Just like that, you're on your way to unlocking enhanced mapping features within Salesforce. Don't forget this final, yet crucial step. After making all these adjustments, be sure to click Save before exiting. This step is vital because it ensures that all your modifications are properly recorded and applied. Only then will the Salesforce Maps function be ready for use, delivering improved geolocation abilities and optimized data management. And there you have it, folks, a streamlined way to set up and use Salesforce Maps, designed to boost your geolocation abilities and enhance your data management within Salesforce. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and happy mapping.